What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I have another banger for you guys today. So this is just a quick review from one of my clients. He messaged me. He wanted to get a high limit credit card. So I went ahead and I told him that he needs to get some trade lines reporting. He wanted a credit line of at least $30,000. So I recommended a primary trade line package. If he wants a credit limit of $30,000, we need to do either the 50 or the 100K credit limit. This includes a personal loan, an auto primary loan, and a Chase Bank credit card. So what this looks like on your credit profile is it makes it look like you are able to pay off debt, personal loans, an auto loan, and it also adds a credit card that is revolving on low utilization. This is a guaranteed 100% chance of approval for a credit card equivalent or lower than the credit card on the profile. But if you guys want a higher credit limit, so I'm talking about $100,000, maybe $150,000, you need to make sure you are doing a higher credit limit. What this will do is it will add multiple lines of revolving credit. So it might be three $50,000 credit cards or 10, 15,000 credit cards. It doesn't really matter. All that matters is your overall revolving credit limit is high enough to justify a credit limit you want on a credit card. Now, what do you do if you want an even higher one? Well, like I mentioned, you just have to get a higher credit limit. Getting anything higher is generally a bit harder, but keep in mind that it is possible. You just have to make sure that you're being diligent with your application. That means you're not spamming applications. That means you're not misrepresenting yourself to an extreme degree. That also means you have to be applying at the right times. Do not apply for multiple credit cards in one day, in a week, etc.